What is the function that the CO worker will take during assessment? Ano kaya? Program development? Hindi. Fact finding. Fact finding lang po dyan ang pinaka SWOT assessment kasi education. Program development mo, implement ko ano man na, di ba, sa part na planning. May din-develop kang program. Coordination, halata naman na yung coordination, yan na yan na part sa kuan, sa implementation. Siguro, alam mo na yung problema ng client, tapos ka na sa fact-finding, tapos ka sa assessment, so may kina-coordinate ka ngayong resources. Education, doon na yun sa implementation, yung mga seminars, di ba? Educating yan eh. Yung fact-finding, assessment stage pa na siya. What is the CO workers activity which aims to gain acceptance and sanction from the community leaders? Of the CO workers' presence and activities. Ang sagot. Courtesy call. No? Of course, no? Dili pwede nga na-shock na lang ang barangay nga nag-propose kag kuan, seminar na pagki-budget proposal. Wa mo na ka nag-courtesy call. Magagalit yung barangay sa'yo. Sino ka ba? Bakit pumasok ka dito? Ganon yun, no? Courtesy call, no? How do you call the sanction given to the social worker from being a registered profession and for presenting the agency? Ano kaya? Official sanction. Okay? Official sanction. Sa kuan sa klasa, yung question sa Mendoza, okay? No? Yung sa Mendoza, no, yung question ay, kung yung question is all about what makes a profession, what makes the social work a profession, yung sagot doon, community sanction. Dito kasi iba kasi, CO kasi to. Official sanctions yung sagot dito. Tama ba? Legal sanction given us. I might get it wrong. Is there a word official sanction? Mali na kung type ani. Okay. So, namali na ako nag-type, no? There is a word official sanction. Ang tamang sagot ani ay yes. D. D tama answer. Namali na ako nag-type. Pero na may word official sanction actually. Iba pala yung meaning ng official sanction. Okay? Negative yung meaning niya. Parang yung meaning ng official sanction, parang di-condemn ka ba? Okay, community sanction, ito yung, I think, Linderman something na nagbigay siya ng mga criteria na masasabi natin na professional yung isang kurso. So, community sanction, kasali yan dyan, no? Makakagamit ka rin dyan ng mga facilities, ganyan. So, D yung sagot dyan, okay? D. Letter D. Correction. What is a data gathering instrument which is primarily self-report of client containing information that the client is willing to divulge? Okay, survey questionnaire. Yan naman talaga yung ginagamit eh. B. What is the stage in the CO wherein the purposes, effective solutions, and activities to achieve the objectives and the communities are defined? Ano yung kaya? Planning. No? Nag-set og objectives. Halata, di ba? Di ba sa kuan ni sa kahit sa general na word yung general na book sinasabi ni Mendoza, asa man mo mag-set og objectives. Asa man mo mag-set og mga effective solution. So nagplano mo diha, di ba? Kana bitaw nagunahon na mong solution o objective. Nga plano man mo ana. Hindi siya A. Yung A, actually, yung letter C at letter A, saklaw lang siya ng planning. Pwede rin yung B. What if yung planning nangyari in General Assembly? Oh, di ba? You can defend both ways. So, letter D yung ang sagot. What is the same model which focuses on community competence as a goal? Community development. So, ito yung model na sinasabi ko. Banangganing approach, yan yung gustong mapadali ng LGU yung transaction. Kasi ayaw, for example, kung busy na rin yung LGU, ipaagi na lang barangay para dali pong trabaho. Kaya naman mga human resource dito, so barangay approach na. Social action, isa yung CO model na may other party na naagrabyado. Okay? Social planning, no? Yan yung kailangan ng matustusang planning. So, dito is, ang question is focus on community competence. Kung yung CO kasi ay yung community development, ito yung nagtutulungan yung buong community, karamihan. So, community competence yan. Community development. How do you call community organizer's role when during a meeting with others, the organizer presents the survey? So, gihatag niya survey result of socio-economic problems. Ang tawag ana, researcher. No? Hindi broker. Yung broker po, meron kang binibridge na resources. Initiator, hindi. Yan yung hindi pa gumagalaw yung mga worker, ay yung mga client, ikaw muna. Ikaw yung nag-initiate ba? Researcher ka dito. Results mo survey, oh. Common ba kayo sa ato, di ba? Mag-research ta, survey gid na. What strategy is utilized when your worker forms community council and committees to help empower and create centers? Management of power. Tinatanong din sa board exam, kasi ito kasi pag-create ng councils and committees, minamanage mo yung power dyan. Tinatanong din sa board exam, kung ang problema sa CO ay mayroong nagmumonopolize ng power, okay, so ano yung gagawin mo? Of course, management of power. Oh, yun nga yung tanong eh. Ano yung gagawin mo? Ang sagot po dyan ay mag-elect ka ng mga council at committees para yung nagmumonopolize ng power, makuhaan siya, ma-delegate sa iba. Okay? Yung education and training, regarding yan sa kuan. No, meron tayong subject yan, di ba? Community education and training. Regarding yan sa mga problema na awareness lang muna yung kailangan. Collaborative strategy, kung meron na yan kayong gagawing malaking project. Social brokerage is all about you are brokering o resources. Hindi ko ibig sabihin na resources sa pera or fund. Baka iba yung pag-intindi natin sa resources eh. Meron po tayong social. No? Pati tao po, yung pinaka-importante po na resources ay tao. CO worker joins in a protest by lobbying against the illegal demolition of client community. What's your role? So, alam mo yung class, no? Yung may mga gibaan ng bahay. O ano yung role na ginagampanan mo dyan? Gibaan ng bahay. So, alangan ba naman, doon ka sa side na gigiba ng bahay. Doon ka sa side sa mga gigibain yung bahay. No? Advocate yan eh. Advocate ba yan? Advocate. Okay, yun po yung pinaka-role natin dyan. Illegal kayo ha. Ano nangyari dyan? Walay permit, gisira. walay court order nga siraon, mag-advocate ka diha. Pero di ka pwede mag-advocate kung wala gid chance. Let's say kuan, yung nangyari ay matagal na yan silang ginotice. Di na kaka-advocate ana. Kung asa sila ibalhin, dito ka na lang mag-developmental. No? Bakit maupaya advocate? Yung pagsira pala ng bahay nila, legal naman. Dito, illegal naman, so advocate ka dyan. How do you call the tactics or careful plan devised to achieve, no? Pag may tactic, no? Strategy. Okay? Strategy. Ano yung kuan? Wala mo na ano yung plan. Okay? Yung technique. No? So yung strategy para ma-achieve yung goal. Yan talaga na keyword, no? May ma-achieve na goal. No? Careful na pagplano para ma-achieve yung goal. Ano yung keyword sa technique, sir? Merong word na technical. Alam mo yung mga trabaho na kailangan ng technical? Ganun po yun, no? Ganun yung idea dyan. So, what is the type of community which refers people in a specific geographic area or village? Geographic area, geographic community. Okay? Ito, indigenous community, no? Maraming indigenous, functional community, meron sa specific function, no? Ang dali lang nito, yung mga types of community, meaning lang naman to. Situation 2. In a group meeting, disagreement up and the members will show support to the congressman by joining in the political rally organized by congressman's party. Congressman had donated financial assistance to the community's organization. Some members think they should support the congressman having been their benefactor. But some members said that the organization should maintain its being non-partisan. Ibig sabihin ng non-partisan, wala kang pinapanigan. May question dyan, no? Ano yung role na you are a partisan or may pinapanigan ka? Advocate yan. The leaders ask each member of their stand, opinion, and discuss the positive and negative implication of their possible decision and help the group to arrive at common decision. What's the strat that the community organization can use in the case? Ano kaya? Collaborative. Mag-collaborate sila. Ano kaya? Ano basing na kung ano mo sa kwarta ba? Basing maapiki ta ani. Ihimo ratang bahog. No? Anak di ba na gamiton ng tao? Ang ending dayon, sure gid mo na tabangan mo ana. So mag-collaborate kayo kasi yung sa situation kasi yung sa last sentence balik natin. The leaders ask each other their opinion and discuss. So ano yung tawag dyan, no? So nag-collaborative sila. Dito yan magagamit tayo yung collaborative. Yung sa mga bagay na kailangan mo na pag mag-discuss muna kayo. Broker, wala namang ibubroke, hindi naman resources pinag-usapan. Ang punto dito, dapat malaman ng pangkalahatan ano talaga yung sitwasyon. So mag-collaborate. Lobbying, di ba yan yung may meeting sa kuan, let's say sa Senado or sa yung legislative ba, yung gagawa ng batas. Maglalabi kayo doon ng concern. Either agreement or disagreement ng isang project or law. Yes. Tagalog tayo ngayon. Okay, so ganun yun, no? Ganun yung lobbying, more about that, no? Okay? Who are the major stakeholders? Yung concern, no? Group members. Hindi naman sumali si mayor. Okay? Stakeholders is yung involved lang. Ginamit lang sila para doon mag-rally. Hindi sumama si congressman. Oy, hindi. So, yung involved lang sa, yung nandyan lang, yung involved. No, yan yung stakeholders. Meaning niya, no? Tingnan natin yung whole meaning ng stakeholders na yan. Lumalabas kasi yan eh. Project development. Okay, party that has an interest in the company, no? Can neither affect or be affected. O yung ma-interest, wala namang interest, ginagamit lang sila ni congressman. Okay? See yung sagot. What is the type of participation that the group members are doing? Ano kaya? Participation by consultation. No? Participation by consultation. May kumonsulta sa kanila. Okay? Nag-participate sila, no? So, yung iba din, kinonsulta. Oh, sali ka. Grabe, dahil kay kwarta diri. Ang daming pera. No, ang daming pera dito. Yung iba nga, may nakita ko yung isang rally, no? Alam niyo nangyari? Binabayaran pala sila ng 500. Ganun yun ang saklap, no? O sila, hindi nila alam yung, bakit ako nandito? Yung iba walang makain, no? Kasi may lalapit, may kukonsulta sa kanila, ipupunta. O yung sisama ka, ganyan-ganyan. Kaya yung iba din naloloko. One of the CEO values that values is the right of the client community of self-determination is portrayed in the case through. Paano natin maipakita yung self-determination dito? Discussion. Ano yung self-determination? Na yung tao merong abilidad na magrason at maggawa ng desisyon. Yan yung keyword talaga ng self-determination. Yung tao merong kakayahan magrason at gumawa ng desisyon. That's it. In the case, the focus of the social worker will be on strengthening people's capacity. Yes. No? Hindi po removal of blocks. Wala nang po removal of blocks. Wala nang pong sinabi sa case na pinipigilan sila. Wala. Indigenous resources before tapping. Hindi naman sa letter C. Wala namang resources pinag-usapan. So letter B yung sagot. Cooperation. Kailangan nila magkaisa, no, to solve the problem. If the social worker will help the group in the discussion of the pros and cons, positive or negative, of their decision, the social worker is doing what is called a analysis. Intake, alam mo na yung intake. Inaalam yung problema ng kliyente at saka binibigyan siya ng ina-analyze ano ba talaga yung problema mo at saka kung qualified ka ba. Diagnosis. Ang diagnosis po, yan po yung careful, in-depth, no? In-depth na pagkuan sa problema at saka ano yung solusyon. Ang kuan po class, analysis yung sagot dito. Di ba yung diagnosis, mostly yan na nakikita natin sa medical setup. Doktor, ano yung diagnosis mo, doktor? Ito yung diagnosis ko, ganito yung symptoms, ganito yung answer. Operahan. O naoperahan mo yung cancer. Or liver failure, ganun yun. So, operahan natin siya kasi kung hindi, mamamatay siya in 2 weeks. So, inalam yung pinaka-deep problem na natumbok ng doktor at saka yung solution at saka yung risk kung gagawin yan or hindi gagawin kung hindi pagpatuloy. Yan yung diagnosis. In the case, what is the decision-making process that the group leader adapt to come up with a common decision? Kaya, consensus. Of course, pag sinasabi natin cooperation, maraming tao, kailangan umabot tayo sa consensus. No? Na lahat mag-agree. Decision through votes, hindi naman yung kailangan butuhan. Consensus ang kailangan. Kasi kung through votes, ibig sabihin, kung bumoboto ka class, merong isa na pinipilian nyo. Kung isa lang yung choice nyo, consensus nyo dapat. Isa lang naman yung choice na dito, magtulungan at mag-cooperate. Ang ibig kasi sabihin ng vote, nagagamit lang yung boto kung merong dalawa. Bakit? Nagboboto pa kayo, isa lang naman pala bibobotohan nyo. So consensus yan, no? Baka yung ibang tao lang hindi, ang problema lang sa consensus, baka yung ibang tao mag-back out. Pero pag may vote, pag yung vote, meron silang dalawang choice. Ganon yun. President prerogative, sa leader yan, no? Leader yung leader yung nag-decide. Compromise, no? Nag-stop sila. Nagkompromiso. What community dynamic is in effect when the group members and leaders identify their decision makers? Group members. Okay? The resources they affect and the power can involve decision making. Community power structure. No, kasi aalamin nila yung group leaders na mag-decide ng desisyon. Sinong gagawa ng desisyon? So, paano yan? So, of course, ang kailangan meron kang alam sa community structure, power structure. Leaders eh. 'Di ba oftentimes kung sino yung hindi naman economics to, wala namang pinag-usapan nito ang ekonomiya or community demographics, hindi naman to demographic. Basic understanding of the community. There's no need to understand their community kasi matagal na sila dyan, no? Nagagamit yung basic understanding of the community kung bago pa sila dyan. So, power structure kasi about decision making to. Di ba sa atin, yung nakakapag-decide talaga sa atin is yung may kapangyarihan or yung matalino. What is the CO stage of the community people as shown in the case? Kaya, implementation. Okay, nasa implementing part na sila actually. No, kasi sa planning, implementation lang. Nung na-discuss na sila, no? Yung pag-discuss nila, planning na yon. Yun na yon. So, i-implement na lang nila yung diniscussa nila. Okay? Contract setting, ano yan? Wala namang kontrata dyan. Monitoring, wala naman. What is the function of CO which secures and maintains adequate factual basis? So, alam mo na to, fact-finding. Pag-advocate, partisan ka, may pinapanigan ka na interest ng ibang ng other side. Education, no, yan yung sa part na kailangan mong maging aware. I-aware yung community, no? Hindi nila alam to, i-educate mo. Coordination, no, kinokonekta mo yung mga agency, ganun yun, mga resources. Okay, situation 3. Marawi siege started after terrorist group attack. The city government troops tried to arrest Abu Sayyaf leader in Silon, Aplon. Maoti group militants attacked Pranao and occupied several buildings in the city of Marawi, City Hall, Imishu, Hospital. Ang layo lang po ng kuan. Atake nung Marawi siege. Ang layo lang po. I was in Imishu, no? I was finishing my undergraduate years during these times. I'm about second year. Second year yata ako dyan dito. Ang layo lang po. Even po snipers hindi nakakaabot sa hindi pala kami ng sniper. Hindi naman. Hindi Hindi siya naabutan. Yung siguro pinakamalakas sa sniper. So, ganun po yun. Kasi may mga pumupwesto pong sniper sa mga matataas na building malapit sa amin. Mga kuan, mga tataas na sniper, parang mga mataas pa sa kuan. Mataas pa sa akin. Anyway, no, just a glimpse of my history in MSU. Hospital and City Jail. They also occupy the main street and set fire on St. Mary's Church, Ninoy Aquino School in Dansalan, run by UCCP. The group also attacked Marawi Cathedral, taking a Perseverance churchgoers hostage. Nearly 200 people, including state forces and civilians, have been killed since the fighting. Question. A deadly firefight erupted when Habilon's forces opened fire on the combined army police teams, called reinforcement from Mauti Group. From Disaster Risk Reduction, or DRR perspective, these incidents could be viewed as a type of hazard based on violence. Of course, violence po yan. No, violence. Hindi po yan nature, no? Hindi lang po yan mga bagyo-bagyo, yung mga natural bagyo, mga ganyan ba? Nature yung nag-cause. The firefight then escalated into the armed conflict that has resulted to a serious disruption of the functioning of the Marawi, causing widespread human, material, and environmental loss, which exceeded the ability of affected communities to cope using own resources. This situation is called disaster. Disaster na po yan. Disaster na po yung tawag dyan. Bakit, sir? There is a serious disruption at saka widespread human loss. Disaster na po yan. Okay? Rebellion, yung mga rebelde, yung ginawa nila. Ano yung ginawa ng Maute? Rebellion yun. Yung nagsumpaki, yung nag-encounter sila, ano yun? War yun. There are 59 more missing persons who we are still trying to locate. This operation involves Marano religious leaders and traditional leaders, police, army, and combined personnel, the Lanao government, Adyong, and above-mentioned CRM teams. What do you call this operation? Search and rescue. Pag may nawawala, search and rescue po. What do we call persons who are affected by armed conflict, no? Internally displaced, mga IDP. Ang daming IDP nun sa kanila during these times. No, halata naman, di ba? Ayan yung sagot. Because of armed conflict, no, internally displaced, so umalis sila. Na-display sila from this place na dito yung gera, nalipat sila ng lugar ba, lumipat sila. What do you call provision of food? First, lahat po yan ABC. Okay? Nangyari siya, emergency aid, relief operation din siya, and dole out din siya. May binibigay sila, bigayan. So, ABC yung sagot, letter D. Okay? Lahat yan. Ilonggos are gathering and sending donations to residents of Marawi. This is located by the ongoing armed clashes between the Maoti group and government troops. This initiative of response is called Damayan, okay? Damayan. Yung bayanihan, iba po yan. Kasi yung bayanihan, nasa isang lugar kayo, nagtutulungan kayo dyan, yun yung bayanihan. Alam mo na yung mobilization at saka fundraising. Damayan po to. Ibig sabihin ng damayan, may dumadamay sa iyo na ibang tao. Okay? Yung bayanihan, dyan lang kayo lugar. Nagtutulungan kayo. Bayanihan yan. Ito, B, damayan po to kasi ibang lugar eh. Those who were rescued emerged visibly shaken and scared. Most had not eaten and drunk anything for days. They came back with stories of fear, of days covering with their houses, hiding from explosion and terrorists. The intervention required is crisis intervention. Ito talaga, no? Actually, itong crisis intervention, no, pwede na yung masaklaw niya yung psychosocial, emotional ventilation. Okay? Usually sa board exam, example dito, di ba, crisis intervention, stress debriefing. Merong naka-close and open parenthesis talaga siya. Merong emphasis, kumbaga ba. Sometimes ganyan talaga yung sagot. Only when yung iba hindi in-emphasize. No? So, ito ang sagot A. Keyword niya may emphasis kasi siya eh. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na may emphasis yan kagad yung sagot. So what if lahat talaga may emphasis? O dito. What tools social worker will use to allow victims disaster to verbalize their feelings? So iwan na to, no? Same pa rin. No, kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, sinaklaw na ng crisis intervention yung ventilation, psychosocial, ganun yun. D pa rin. Organization of the evacuees in the evacuation center into helping teams is in accordance with the CO value, the right of the client community to what? Self-determination. Okay? Self-determination. Teka lang ha. There's something with this. Teka lang, no? Iniisip ko siya. Kasi regarding kasi self-determination, it's more about decision and ang punto kasi dito ay yung pag-organize mo sa kanila, ano yon? Gawin nating pinaka-summarize up to one word. Yan kasi ginagawa ko. Kung makaya kong i-one word yung buong mataas, dyan lang ako nagdodwell. So ano yung pag-organize sa kanila? Ano yun? Hindi naman yung self-determination. Organization of the evacuation center into helping teams is an helping teams. Resiliency, bouncing back. Usually yung bouncing back class, no? Ito bitang bouncing back. Nangyayari sa disaster. Well, disaster naman yung nangyari sa kanila. Resiliency. The right of the client to what? Tricky naman ito, no? Teka lang ha. Pagkakadadali nito. The QEs is evacuation center in helping teams. Ano yung helping teams, no? Teka lang ha. What is helping teams? Alam ko naman yung helping teams. Baka kasi may separate meaning. Teka lang ha. The organization of the evacuees in evacuation center into helping teams is in accordance into helping teams. Self-determination. I think A yung, parang A yung tamang sagot, hindi ko lang makuha yung kuan. Okay. Ito class, no? Okay, ito yun, no? I get the point, no? I'll discuss to you regarding the levels of questions, no? May mga tanong that two spoon feeding. No, naguluhan ako dito eh. Two spoon feeding. Yung baga, kahit saan anggulo mo tignan, because it's two spoon feeding, no? Maalalaman mo talaga na yan yung sagot. No debate. Okay? Okay. I must recall to what the book says regarding creating question. Ito kasi yun eh. If hindi klaro na yun yung sagot, bouncing back, resiliency development, no? It's not the right answer. Hindi naman sinabi dito na may situation na gusto nilang bumalik sa dati. Gusto nilang bumalik sa dati, pero hindi sinulat dito, of course. Ang punto din kasi ng self-determination is that, no? Yung regarding din kasi they have the reason and will. Hindi lang yan mag-decide. Mag-decide ka para saan? Bakit ka ba nag-decide ng mga bagay-bagay? I remember that when you are a determined person, you are deciding for bouncing back, resiliency, or being developed. When you are having the will or the capacity, kasi ito kasi yung punto. Ang pinakapunto talaga ng self-determination ay bibigyan mo ng chance yung tao na yan, no, na maging helping team, no, tumulong, matulungan or tumulong din kasi meron siyang punto ng self-determination. Ano yan, sir? Meron siyang will at to decide. Diyan lang tayo sometimes nahihinto. Okay? Value kasi yung pinag-usapan dito eh. No? As I remember, no, let us go deeper to this principle. Kung sa self-determination, diyan lang tayo titigil sa principle, yung idea bitaw na yung tao meron siyang kakayahan, rason na mag-decide and will. Para saan naman yung will na yan? Of course, saklaw na rin dyan na meron siyang self-determination to bounce back, self-determination for resiliency, self-determination for development. So, alangan ba naman na basta makadecide yung client, okay na ako dyan. E paano naman na yung desisyon ng client ay hindi makakabuti? So, dito na punto, A pa rin yung sagot ko dito. Okay? I hope it's clear and we did not dwell about yung mga mababaw lang na punto ng pagkaintindi ng ano yung self-determination. Okay? Pag CO class, halatang halata yung ganyan yung sagot. No, sometimes kasi, ang ibig ko sasabihin kay sa inyo class, ito kasi yung mga punto regarding resiliency. For example, ito yung mga case na binibigay na ma-justify na B, C, or D yung sagot. Merong community, nasira sila. Nasira. Ngayon, gusto nilang bumalik sa dati. Gusto nilang umimprove. May mga ganyan talagang nakasulat. So, ang punto yun, they want to bounce back. They are resilient. Yung resiliency din, meron daw, yung Japan yata, I encounter this question, yung Japan, may tsunami sa kanila, di ba? Bang, tamaan sila ng tsunami. Paano sila nakabalik? They are resilient. No, dito naman, no, ito yung mga sinasabi kong question na it's really hard. Yung mga choices, ang dali-dali lang intindihin yan. You can define it objectively or on your own understanding. But to connect it to the question, so hard. Kasi walang klarong case na binibigay. No? But I will still go to the answer, letter A. Hope it's clear. Go deeper, no? Go deeper sa kuan. Lalo na sa mga ganyan, no? Pangkuan biya to ay top notcher ng mga pautana. Hirap yun. Ang permissible under the Islamic law, food has to be prepared in what? Halal. Halal yan, no? Yung pagkain nga walang kuan. Walang bawal sa Muslim. Ang samahang magsasaka sa Ugong, SMBU, has been successful in their advocacy to distribute the farmlands to their landless members. Now it's the members and leadership are taking in terms of improving agricultural productivity and children's health in their community. They want to know first how they can respond to their own needs before approaching to the town and anyone outside a social worker. Kasi gusto kong ipaintindi sa inyo yung utak ko ngayon. Okay? Alam mo ba, yung nang binasa ko to by word, hindi ko po siya naintindihan. Okay? Of course, nagtuturo ako dito, no? But I just want to be honest. No? Nababasa ko lang yung word, nagigets ko yung mga terms. Tapos ikalawang basa ko ulit, doon ko na nabubuo yung mga connections. Kasi aware kasi ako sa sa tinatawag na metacognition. Ngayon talaga, in terms of my mind, masasabi ko nga, parang, alam mo yun, pag nagbabasa ako, for example, from level 1 to 10, actually, nasasabi ko po, when I'm reading a question, kung saan bang level tumatagos yung utak or umi-increase. Ngayon, hindi ko po siya naintindihan. So, babasahin ko siya ulit. So, di ba, sometimes pag nagtuturo ako, binabasa ko yung question, tapos nagpo-pause ako. Kasi actually, may first reading, hindi yan enough. No, first reading, so nalaman ko lang yung mga details. When I first read the whole paragraph ngayon, details pa lang, every sentence. Ulitin ko na naman, no? So, pag inuulit ko na naman siya, nakukonekta ko na yung mga details. And my third reading, analysis na. Ganyan po ako nagbabasa. Alam ko po sa mind ko na, okay, hindi ko pa naintindihan. May mga times sa atin siguro, no? I'm teaching you psychology right now, okay? May mga times sa atin na akala talaga natin naintindihan natin yung sagot. Sumagot ka agad tayo. Do you have that kind of problem? No? Ay, akala natin, alam natin yung sagot, sumagot ka agad tayo. Actually, tinatamad ka pa ganun. Kasi ayaw mo talagang sagutin siya kasi tinatamad ka. So, sinagutan mo na lang and kinumbinsi mo yung utak mo na naintindihan mo kahit hindi. Hindi mo pwedeng lokohin sarili mo. Okay? Again, basahin natin, no? Fourth time ko na to binasa. Third time, upon I dito yun. Its members and leadership are taking children's health in their community. They want to know first how they can respond to their own problems before approaching to the town mayor. Okay. Anyone outside of their group as a social worker, what are they? So, meron silang binuong kuan, di ba? Farmlands, naging successful sila. No, napa-improve nila yung productivity. Now, nagkameron silang problema. Gusto naman nila na sila muna yung makasolve before nila idaan sa LGU. Okay? So, ganun, di ba? Madali lang. Nasummarize ka agad natin. But, I'm teaching you education here kasi LPT din kasi tayo. No? So, binasa ko siya. Hindi ko siya binasa one time. Habang nagsasalita tayo dito ngayon, 4 times ko siya binasa. Get me? The first reading was, wala ako naintindihan. Hopefully class, you appreciate it. You get my mind. I'm not hindi ako na insecure dito na baka, ay, mahina pala si sir. Wala akong pakialam gano'n, no? I don't need to prove myself kung credible ba ako. I'm credible, no? Pinapalearn ko lang kayo how to write thing. Kasi first nabasa ko, wala akong naintindihan. And hopefully, you will get this in the mind. Paapat na basa ko, doon ko pa naintindihan. Okay? Anong kaya? Yung sagot dito. Social worker, what organizing model will you deploy? So, basahin talaga yung questions na maraming beses. Kasi yung first reading mo, alam niyo saan ko yan na-gets yung mga mga ganyan. No? Dati kasi nanonood ako sa Senado, no? Nanonood ako sa Senado, no, nung mga paggawa ng batas, paggawa ng policy. And sometimes may nakikita akong first reading. Sa first reading sa Senado, second reading na naman sa Senado, third reading. Napaisip ako, ang tatalino ng mga taong yan. Okay? Ang tatalino ng mga taong yan. Bakit pa binabasa nila 3 times yung provision ng batas? And there I get in my mind. Doon ko inanalyze yung sarili ko. Hala, totoo nga pala, no? Pag nagbabasa ako first, objective details pa lang siya. Yung raw materials pa ba? Second na pagbasa ko, may connection na, every sentence to sentence. Third, medyo buo-buo na. And yung fourth reading ko sa sentence, at some point, medyo na-summarize ko na. O, ganun yung idea. Hindi yung first reading lang, no, na mawawala tayo dyan pag ganun. No? So, ganun po yung reading. Hopefully, it's clear? Yan kasi yung tinuturo ko sa mga estudyante ko, no? Ito yung principle ko when I teach kasi I'm not teaching ding the what. No? Hindi ko lang tinuturo sa kanila kung ano yung dapat yung kainin, lamunin, basahin nyo yan, mag-quiz tayo, hindi ganun. Hindi ako ganun na teacher. Tinuturo ko sa kanila paano nila ma-absorb yung binabasa nila. Kasi psychology din kasi tayo na natuturo din tayo ng psychology. It will help you in your So, locality development. Ano yung locality development? Kasi, pagtutulungan lang, masasolve na lang yung problema. Okay? Yun yung mga problema na kailangan talaga na technical na mga planning na mangyari. Pag sinabi kong technical, hindi lang mga lay person yung kailangan dyan. No? Hindi lang pwede pagtutulungan. Kailangan talaga mayroong professional na involved. Action plan. Ano mean action plan? No? Ang social action, merong party dyan na nagrabyado. Okay, what is considered as formal structure at the barangay level? Sangguniang barangay council. Okay? Formal structure yan. Committee man yun sa dulo, no? Tanod. No? Hindi tanod. For the group of fisher folks who is engaged in dynamic fishing in the locality, if you are the assigned social worker, what would you do to help them? Alam mo yung punto dito? Ito talaga yung gusto ko pa-inflex sa mga estudyante ko. Usually kasi, of course, bagong graduate ka pa lang, no? Bagong graduate ka pa lang. Tapos, nag-take ka ng board exam. Ang pag-iisip mo sa case na ibibigay ay, ganito kasi yan, ang gusto kasing, sometimes kasi we opt to think na konteksto natin yung masusunod. Kasi bagong graduate ka pa lang, hindi ka pa nakatapak sa field. So, akala mo okay lang na ang i-asip mo na context, nagsasagot ka, okay na yung sa kuan mo, sa punto mo sa as intern, practicumer. Hindi po ganyan yung pinapasadya ng mga board examiner. Ang konteksto nila ng paggawa ng question ay talagang social worker ka na. So pag nag-take ka ng board exam, isipin mo talaga social worker ka na. Ano kaya isipin ko? Social worker na ako. Ganon yun. Baka kasi magkamali pa tayo ng konteksto ay yung mga analysis natin sa utak natin, kinukonekta mo natin as practicum. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na magkalayo yung practicum at saka yung kuan, pagiging social worker na talaga kasi similar naman yan. Pero iba yung authority, pag nag-exam ka tapos tinink mo na social worker ako, iba yung authority, iba yung power structure, iba yung livelihood. Kasi sometimes kasi, for example, nag-practicum ka, limited resources lang yung nakuha mo, so isip mo tuloy ngayon, ay, merong limitation. Kasi ito yun eh. Practicum pa tayo dati. Pero sa board exam, hindi na po ganon. Isipin mo talaga yung pinaka-best na mabibigay ng isang social worker na na ikaw. I mean, you get my point? Baka kasi nagdudwell pa tayo dyan, okay, ito lang yung kaya ko as practicum. Hindi ko po tinatanong dyan na practicum ka pa dyan, practicumer. Okay? Hindi kita tinatanong ng ganyan. Ibig ko sabihin, mag-isip ka na talaga ng social worker ka dyan. The best idea dun, yung pinaka-ideal na sagot. Yan yun. Kahit pa hindi mo yun na-experience sa pag-practicum mo, walang pakialam dyan yung board examiner, isipin mo na social worker ka na dyan. Yan po yun. Okay? Ito kasi yung punto sa atin, no? Pag mayroong case, na-experience mo na ako ni sa practicum, nahwa, nagyon. It's good na meron tayong ganyan. But then, kung yung pinahiwatig sa board exam na question ngayon ay pang social worker, tapos hindi siya nagtugma, iba din yung experience mo, ay, iba yan. So, social worker ka na talaga dapat. Kasi ang ibig ko lang sabihin dyan, class, tayo kasi kung practicum tayo, meron tayong maraming restrictions, marami tayong hindi nagagawa in terms of legality, in terms of na i-force yung isang barangay o yung isang leader na gawin niya to. Hindi natin yan nagagawa sa practicum eh. No? Kasi grado po din nato na sa board exam, may mga case talaga diyan na kailangan kang umintervene. May mga case talaga diyan na kailangan kang makisali. Kung sa practicum mo hindi ka nakikisali kasi pa yung playing safe ka, sa board exam po hindi po ganoon. Okay? Yung most ideal talaga yung kuan mo. Nagets niyo yung punto ko dito? No? May mga ganun na case guys. Kailangan mong ma-separate yan ng mindset. Hala, practical mindset pa pala to. Hindi pa to pwede. No? So, ganun po yan, no? Teka lang ha. Excuse mo na. CR break kayo dyan. Okay? For the group of fisher folks who's engaged in dynamite fishing in locality, if you are the essential worker, what would you do? Help them. Ano kaya? Lahat, no? All of the above. kung kung criminologist ka class, no? Kung criminologist ka, alam mo yung sagot kung mag-take ka ng criminology, ipakulong mo. Gano'n yun, di ba? Tayong iba tayo, okay? Tatawa ako, no? Meron kasi akong kaibigan na criminologist, registered criminologist, no? Iba kami mag-isip ng mga cases, no? Naintindihan ko siya, no? Ganun. Hindi niya ako naintindihan. Anyway, yung nangyari, mag-take pala siya ng social work next year. Gusto niya pala ako intindihin. Okay. So, all of the above. Kailangan na rin sa kanila ng education awareness na bawal yan, baka makulong ka. Conduct a livelihood, of course. And seminars. Seminars para sa answer. Best practices in fishing, ganun. You are employed at the community health center in the cost-cutting move. In a cost-cutting move, the city council is seeking to reduce the budget for health, which is definitely reduce the number of service programs in the center. Several residents have asked to assist them in maintaining present level of programs. What organizing model will you employ? Social action. Alam mo naman po social action, di ba? Merong naagrabyado. Dahil sa pag-reduce ng budget na yan, iwan ko kung bakit niya nire-reduce in a cost-cutting move. Cost-cutting siya, no? Kailangan talaga siya i-reduce. Merong naagrabyado na mga residente yung may mga sakit. So, social action po yan kasi may mga agrabyado. Okay? Tinatanong ka rin mostly, class, ano yung mga, dito kasi sa social planning, meron kang role na ginagampanan dyan, social action. Dito sa locality development, yung kailangan mo dyan, sometimes na role, madalas lang naman yung mostly lumalabas talaga dyan sa locality development, di ba? Pag locality development, yan yung mga problema na kailangan pagtutulungan. Maliit lang, kailangan pagtutulungan ng maraming number of people at most ng isang community na yan. Ano yung mga kuan dyan, role na kailangan mong gawin? May mga kapares siya, enabler, initiator, gano'n, no? Social planning, kailangan niya ng planning, mga technical skill yung kailangan. So, ano yung kailangan? Researcher, lobbying, ang consultant, ganyan. Sa social action naman, advocate. Ganun yun, no? Initiator, pwede rin. EDNA is organizing a group of ordinary workers in a government factory that is apparently underpaid and overworked. Given the situation, organizing a group of ordinary. What kind of community is EDNA trying to organize? Functional. Okay? Gusto yung mag-organize i-organize yung mga workers, no, to function. Kasi hindi sila yung punto kasi dito, itong mga workers na to, hindi nila kayang laban yung protektahan yung sarili nila from these abuses. So they need to function. So functional community dapat. What do you call the accomplishment of a concrete, okay? Task goal yan. No? Who is the main proponent of the use of conflict confrontation? Okay. I think naulit na to, no? Before, Saul Alinsky. Okay? Saul Alinsky. Sino ba to si Jack Rothman? Si Abraham Maslow, alam mo na yan, no? Jack Rothman. Okay? American sociologist and social worker. He is the best known for his work community organizing within the field of social work. Pero ano yung pinaka-naiambag niya talaga? Okay, 3 models. Yes, I remember. Si Jack Rothman, no? Siya po yung nag-introduce ng 3 model. Ano yan ang model, sir? Wala nang iba pa. Itong locality development, social planning, social action. Okay? Jack Rothman, 3 model. No? Itong locality development, siya yan, ha? Okay? Of course, Alinsky, ito siya, conflict confrontation. Sino naman to si Paulo Freire? Paulo Freire. Hirap basahin yung mga names nila eh. No? So, si Paulo Freire, Brazilian educator and philosopher, leading advocate to critical pedagogy. This is more about pedagogy of the oppressed. Okay? Jack Rothman, again, drill tayo Jack Rothman, 3 models, ano yun? Locality development, social planning, social action, Paulo Freire, Freire talaga, Paulo Freire, Freire, pedagogy of the oppressed, sa Oralinsky, conflict confrontation, Abraham Maslow, okay, hierarchy of needs. What's your model emphasizes technical process of problem solving with regards to substantive social problems such as delinquency? Okay, ito yun, no? Merong mga problems sa delinquency, housing, mga technical yan, mga mahihirap yan, no? Delinquency, CICL yan, eh. Kailangan yan ng mga psychologists, counsel, ano yan, no? Oh. Ano to? Alam mo ano yung psychosocial? Yung psychosocial, nahati siya sa dalawang approach. Psycho, tinutulungan yung psychology ng isang tao kasi baka naman merong trauma, ganun. And at the same time, social aspect yung environment. Yan po yung psychosocial interactionist. Okay, yung interactionist, yun yung nag-i-interact na approach ng isang worker. Kasi siguro, no, merong party dyan na kailangan siyang maging advocate, kailangan niya mag-mediate, kaya interactionist. Social action, no, yan yung merong part na nagrabyado. Ito, ang sagot ito ay social planning. Social planning talaga. Kasi mga ganyan, di ba? Deliberate plan. Mga technical yan, oh. Ano yung, ito yung sinasabi ko. Ano yung keyword pag social planning? Isang word lang. Technical. Yan yung sagot. Okay? Yan yung sagot. Pero basahin nyo rin diretso class. No? Tapos nalaman na natin ngayon na delinquency housing, kailangan siya ng mga kuan, technical skills at saka, okay? Binibigyan, in-explain ko siya incomprehensive. Pero, estudyante kasi tayo, no? May mga patiknik-tiktik din tayo dyan, no? Kung ano yung mga keywords. Baka sa keyword na kayo mag-base, ha? Kung malalago tayo dyan. In the termination phase, some clients will try to negotiate an extension of the time. Bargaining na to na, reveal ko yung sagot. Negotiate kasi, may negotiation. This model perceived client as usually conceived as some community subpart or segment which suffers at the hand of the broker. So merong naagrabyado, di ba? Yung parte daw ng community, naagrabyado daw siya ng isang malaking part ng community. So ano yan, di ba? Social action yan kasi may naagrabyado, di ba? Yan po yan. Pag social planning, yun yung technical process, delinquency, housing, kailangan ng mga technical process yan. Locality development, bigyan ko kayo ng mga concrete example, be. Sa social planning, di ba, mga housing, delinquency, ganyan yan, di ba? Social action, mga abuses. Merong mga farmer, nagrabyado ng hasyendero, ganyan. Sa locality development, no, di ba sabi ko, may mga part lang na pwede lang magtulungan yung community, kaya na. For example, no, yung isang example na nakita ko dyan sa board exam ay meron silang gustong ipagawa na multi-purpose hall. Multi-purpose hall. So, nag-ambagan yung buong community. Hollow block, nag-ambagan sila. Dinagawa nila yung hall na gusto nila. So, yan po yung mga perfect example dyan. Maybe not perfect example. One example. Okay? This coastal community is located about 70 kilometers from the city proper, a typical rural community with mountains and rice field. It covers approximately 1,000 hectares. The people are 90% Cebuano while the rest are Luzon. So 10% lang yung Luzon, siguro minority sila. Their sources of income are fishing, farming. In the farm, even women perform heavy work to assist men folk. Their water is taken from an open dug well and from a mountain spring, both located at a distance from their houses. In incidences of diarrhea, sakit ng tiyan, no, amoeba, and has been traced to unsanitary water. This endemic problem, teka lang ha, okay, lumabas na sa board exam class. Turuan kayo. Endemic versus pandemic. Okay? Okay. Teka lang ha. Crucial to eh. Tignan ko lang yung meaning. Okay, okay. Lumalabas sa board exam class na itong mga word na endemic, pandemic. Baka lalabas pa to. Yung nung COVID, ang daming nakalabas ito. Kinukumpara lang naman ano yung meaning ng endemic, pandemic, at saka epidemic. Okay, I have you. Pag sinasabi natin pandemic, buong mundo na salanta. Ano yung COVID? Pandemic, no? Pandamay ba? Okay, pandemic yun. Pag sinasabi natin epidemic, a large population. Usually daw isang country. Nasalanta yung isang country. Pag pandemic, buong mundo, global. Pag epidemic, no, large population, especially isang country. No? Isang country. Ano naman yung endemic? Madaming area na affected, iba-iba. Siguro sa US, no, kuan lang 5 state, sa Philippines naman din, Mindanao lang, buong Mindanao, ganun lang ba? O, ganun yung punto diyan, okay? Nasegue ko lang, no? Next. Sana ba tayo? Wala tayo. This endemic, so sa lugar lang nila, di ba? Problem affected a number of children this past. So endemic siya kasi affected sila doon na lugar, pero nangyayari din naman yan sa ibang lugar. Kaya endemic siya. Problem affected a number of children this past months. There was lack of community action, for no one individual or official had initiated any move to do something about the problem. Fatima is a social worker who works for an organization that aims to support the education of children through child sponsorship. Her job is to make case studies of the children, monitor their attendance, and provide family welfare services. She is greatly concerned about health condition children. What other roles can Fatima social worker perform in the community other than making case studies? CO, of course. CO po. What community organizing approach can be effective in this case? Issue-based. Okay? Kasi may issue kayong kailangang i-solve dyan. No? Hindi naman siya socio-economic, hindi naman kayo yung pera. Well, kaya kapos sila sa pera. Kaya ganyan lang yung tubig. Pero that's an issue kasi. Issue kasi yan. Using strengths perspective, what are the strengths of the community? All of the above. Abundant resources, source of water, mabuti nga may tubig. Develop NGO working area. Doon nag-work si Fatima. In raising the community levels of awareness on their problem on waterborne sickness, the worker can motivate the people to act on these problems. All of the above. Okay? Educational campaign, no?